these to do this. Try these experiments at home and break a record. Blow your mind without blowing up your mom's kitchen. Hello, I'm Professor Orbax. This is my lab assistant, Sweet Pepper Klopek. And this is the Guinness World Records title for the most marshmallows caught in the mouth with a homemade catapult in 1 minute. First off, you'll need to make your homemade catapult out of common household items, such as colored pencils, spoons, Yoli sticks or popsicle sticks, sticky tape, bottle caps, rubber bands, even binder clips. You'll want to put them together somehow, likely with a glue gun, and most importantly, you'll need the marshmallows. Now, you can only use certain size marshmallows. They cannot be any bigger than 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters in size. But you can use any commercially available marshmallows that are within that size. Now that you've gathered everything, it's time to assemble your homemade catapult. I want you to keep in mind the fact that you're gonna have to fire a marshmallow at least 2 meters in order to get this record. So think about that when you design it. We've got a plan, and we're gonna start right now. Make sure you have a clean work surface. And now it's time for the guidelines. To begin your attempt, use a countdown, and then on the word go, begin firing your marshmallows. Now remember, you can only fire 1 marshmallow at a time, and once your partner catches the marshmallows in their mouth, they don't actually have to eat them. In order for this to count as a Guinness World Records title, you must remember to be at least 2 meters away from your partner. Now for the stuff. Obviously, we're a little bit too close. You'll need to be more than 2 meters away in order to qualify. And now, for the science. In this record, what we did was take the stored spring energy and transfer it into kinetic energy for the marshmallow. The further back you pull this, the more potential energy you store in the spring, and the more kinetic energy is released by the marshmallow.